Yo fam, if you've been scrolling TikTok like, bro, how's everybody making money except me? Chill, because today I'm dropping the top 5 AI tools Americans are using in 2025 to make money from home. No skills, no camera, no boss. Just click, create, cash out. Let's get into it. 1. Mid-Journey Art Money. Americans are making bank with Mid-Journey V6. They create AI art, sell it on Etsy, TikTok shops, Fiverr, even Shopify. People sell digital posters, coloring books, aesthetic wallpapers, kids' book illustrations. One digital art pack can make $200 to $2,000 a month. Just type a prompt, download, upload, money. Midjourney, easiest side hustle in the US right now. Method 2, Claude Script Hustle. Bro, Claude is America's homework machine. People use it to make YouTube scripts, ebooks, blog posts, relationship advice content, storytelling videos. Freelancers on Fiverr charge $50 to $300 per script, and Claude writes that same script in 2 minutes. No joke. Beginners just input topic, Claude writes, deliver, cash. Method 3, Pika AI videos. Pika is wild in 2025. You type one sentence, AI generates a full cinematic video. Americans use it for viral TikTok edits, anime AI clips, aesthetic reels, music visuals, story animations. People post 3 to 5 short videos daily and hit millions of views. TikTok creativity program is real money. Short videos equal fast money. Method 4, 11 Labs Voice Hustle. Americans don't record voiceovers anymore. 11 Labs does it for them. People use AI voices for TikTok storytelling, motivational videos, horror narrations, YouTube documentaries, audiobooks. Voiceover gigs equal $20 to $100 to $300 depending on length. Just pick a voice, paste text, download. Easy money, no talking needed. Method 5, Canva AI digital products. This one's a money printer. Canva lets Americans create planners, journals, business templates, book covers, thumbnails, real estate designs. Then they sell them on Etsy, TikTok Shop, KDP Amazon, Gumroad. People make $500 to $4,000 a month just selling digital products. Design once, sell forever. And that's the top 5 AI tools Americans use in 2025 to make fast money. All beginner friendly, all faceless, all profitable. If you want full step-by-step earning method, a 40-second TikTok version, thumbnail text, title, and description, just comment AI money and I'll drop the next banger for you.